Hello and welcome to yet another video. It's going to be quite a bit today, not too long, but I'm just going to be sharing a couple of things with you. That's me there, obviously. Find time to visit our website, and I would say to join our Telegram group. Now, if you have been watching or following our channel and watching our videos, I would say to please subscribe and give me a thumbs up for this. Let's grow this YouTube channel. Anyway, if you are here for the first time, I believe this is going to be good value. Let's just go to our chart here. This is basically what we are watching for the week. Just to share, a bit about Confluence Trading. For those who don't know what Confluence Trading is, it's basically having two or more reasons for getting into a trade. Obviously, you would have the edge, as it were, by so doing. But before we actually go into it, I want us to look at one of the setup from last week. This is a head and shoulder pattern. One of the most profitable reversal patterns out there in the market. There are other patterns that I teach, but this is one of those that I'm sharing on YouTube. The others obviously are for my paid members. I'm sure you understand. Okay, now this is USDJPY on the 4-hour time frame. You can see it's a head and shoulder pattern, and it's got the neckline there. Let me just make it a bit, bring it in view. So you can see the head and shoulder pattern. It's got the neckline there and other things. But let me show you one of the trades from last week, which was USDCAD. There we go, USDCAD from last week. And the 4-hour time frame as well. As of the time I had posted this, because I do have a Telegram group like you saw earlier on, as of the time I posted it on the Telegram group, the price was here. Let's make it bigger. The price was here, this big bearish candle, if you like, a bearish engulfing candle. That's where the price was. And I did say in this note that they should look to sell. Whoever saw it, should look to sell on the break below the neckline. So we didn't get a break below the neckline. It basically came this far and went up. Obviously those who saw this chart as I posted it in the Telegram group, would have known, well, some of them would have known how to get in, especially those who are members of my VIP team. They would have known that if it broke to the downside, you sell, but of course it broke to the upside, rejecting this area, you would have definitely bought. I mean, the way to have entered that trade would have been to get in at this bullish engulfing, which means, if you had got in there, you will be at least 69 pips, in profit now. The good thing about, marking out or drawing out, the patterns and everything else on your trading view, as you can see here, is that you can always come back to it, to, follow up or to follow through with whatever you've marked out, as opposed to perhaps the MT4 trading platform, whereby you would mark things out and perhaps you come in the next day, you've gone to you switched over to a different time frame, or you basically mistakenly delete things. But on TradingView, which is not so much a trading platform but a charting platform, people tend to mark things and leave it there, and you can always come back to this watch list to see what you've marked out. So that's one of the benefits of marking out your chart anyway. This is basically one of the things I do, teach members of our community how to draw and mark up their charts using all kinds of patterns and all. Okay, let's go back to the trade that is setting up now. By the way, if you're looking to enter this trade, it's still good. I mean, I would say to wait for a pullback and jump in and target this area. That'll be the head, that'll be the shoulder line, as it were. But let's look at the one that is setting up today, which is the the USD Japanese yen, and of course, you know, the way to trade this would be, I'm believing, even as you can see here, I'm believing it's going to break to the downside, you know, but obviously if it breaks to the upside, you watch it, you know, go up there, maybe a retest of this neckline and push up. But I don't believe that's going to be the scenario here. I believe what's going to happen is it's going to break this flag. Now, for those who are members of my group watching this, I know, you know, we've not looked at the flag in detail. I believe I've mentioned it at some point, but we've not so much looked at the flag pattern. You know, I did obviously say that I won't be looking into too many patterns so that, you know, people don't get confused, as it were. You know, we just start with some few patterns and master those ones. But nevertheless, you know, for those who are watching this, this is a flag pattern. You know, this blue, these two blue trend lines, you know, form the flag, whereas this long bit of it is the flagpole. You know, if you can see here as well, I'm sure you can notice, I'm sure if you notice, it is also the case that there was also a flag here. There was also a flag there which was broken, and another one here as well. Okay, well, it's not as okay, there we go. So we see, you know, flags are definitely some powerful, you know, trading patterns out there as well. So this is Confluence Trading, like I made mention of earlier on. Confluence Trading, in that you have two powerful patterns or two things which confirm, you know, your bias, you know, a bearish bias here. We see that there is the head and shoulder to start with, which seem to have broken the neckline. And of course, we see that there is the flag or the trend line being broken, and we're going to be looking to target this area. So that's, you know, what I thought I'll quickly share with you. And just to also say, you know, we now have a copy trade service as well, you know, whereby, you know, if you want us to, if you want to copy our trades, it can happen automatically. Yes, it can happen automatically, whereby when we place a trade at our end, you know, because, you know, our system is connected to yours, it will automatically place it, you know, onto your MT4 trading platform, even if you are asleep in the restaurant or no matter where you are, you know, our trades will be copied into your trading platform. Of course, if we were to adjust the stop loss and take profit and all that, the same would happen at your end. If we were to close the trade manually, the same thing will be copied onto your system. So do feel free to contact us, you know, contact us via the website, or even better, join the Telegram group where you can have immediate access to either myself or any of the admins. You know, so yes, you know, do, you know, find time, you know, even if you just wanted to get a feel of what we are doing at Generational Wealth Traders, do join the Telegram group. You know, Telegram is similar to WhatsApp. Just download it on your PC and on your phone, and of course you can, you know, enjoy, you know, some of this chat markup and all that we post weekly. Okay, so hopefully we'll see you soon. I'm sure that's all I wanted to cover, you know. But anyway, just to quickly show you the MT4. Yes, so that's the same setup on the same setup on the USD JPY I was showing you earlier on, you know, with the obviously with the flag being broken. You know, I was trading live. I was doing a live session with my members this morning, and you know, one of them spotted, you know, the move up on the USD JPY, and I did mark out this zone saying, no, it will not be safe to trade it yet, you know, because it's heading towards the neckline. But we can see here, you know, that it has indeed rejected the neckline, and I believe it's going to go down, breaking this trend line, or what is otherwise a flag pattern. So there we have it. Feel free to join us soon, and like I say, give us a thumbs up for this video, and may God bless you. Catch you next time. See you.